Are you looking for simple and effective ways to increase your earnings and improve your financial situation? Look no further. Our Easy Earning Tips script provides practical advice and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals and enhance your overall financial wellness. 1. Explore freelancing opportunities. Discover your skills and talents, and consider freelancing in your spare time. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer numerous opportunities to earn extra income by offering your services to a global audience. 2. Start a side business. Utilize your hobbies and interests to kickstart a small side business. Whether it's crafting, baking, or tutoring, turning your passion into profit can be a fulfilling way to boost your earnings. 3. Invest wisely. Consider investing in low-risk options like mutual funds or ETFs, enabling your money to grow over time and generate passive income. 4. Utilize cashback and rewards. Maximize your savings by using cashback apps and credit cards that offer rewards on everyday purchases. 5. Rent out unused space. If you have spare rooms or property, consider renting them out on platforms like Airbnb to generate additional income. Conclusion. With these easy earning tips, you can take small steps towards securing your financial future and achieving financial freedom. Start implementing these strategies today, and watch your earnings grow steadily while enjoying a healthier financial life. Remember, every step counts on the journey to financial success.